All right, here's a little concept 13 right here. So let's check it out, see if we know how to do all of it. I know some of you are still needing to retake that. So, and for my class, it's tomorrow. So here we go, a little bonus session. So we need to start somewhere. So I'm going to go ahead and start with this root there. In terms of a factor, it's going to be x minus 1. In terms of a root, it's that. Now, the degree is the 4th degree, so I don't need to go all crazy on that. I don't add these up. This isn't all factored out. It's all just simplified there. So I'm going to take my x minus 1, and I'm going to divide it into all of this mess. And I am going to double, triple check to make sure that I wrote it carefully and correctly. Because if you write it wrong, it will be wrong. That is just the nature of the beast. So we do our little division. X to the 4th. X cubed makes that happen. So this is negative x cubed. What? Check. Done. So I'm going to go ahead and bring up my next little spiel that I need to take care of. So far we have the first two done. We bring up the next dude. This would be what? Negative 13 and x, which would be 13x. And I need it really to just be x, so I'm going to need to subtract 12 of them. And then I have everything I need. So this is the other factor. And this is a cubic, so I cannot factor that in a nice way. I need to go ahead and divide out by my next factor. So my next factor that I'm going to do is the x plus 3. Remember, it's always the opposite sign of what it is here, but then this is one of my roots, so I'm going to write that down. I'm going to do my little division. I've got my x cubed, which means I have x squared and 3x squared. I don't have any squares, so I need to, whoops, get rid of them. And in order to do that, I need a negative 3x. Then I have negative 9x, and negative 4x, negative 4, wow, negative 12. There we go. Don't I feel fantastic? Okay, so here, here is my next one. I have x squared minus 3x minus 9. And now, what do I need to do? Something. I need to factor that, but you know what? That is a 4, lovely people, which is much more factorable. I have terrible writing up there. That was 4. All right, so here's my 4. And now I need to factor that. So I can do negative 4, negative 3, negative 4, and 1. Yay. Now, because there is no coefficient in front here, I'm done. So I can do diamond and done if this is a 1. Do you see all those little lines that I put there? So x plus 1 and x minus 4. So that is all completely factored. So x plus 1 and x minus 4. This is what we mean by write it in factor form. And then I get my roots from here and from here, and I am done.